After studying some of my videos lately, I've been wondering if maybe the sharpness setting on my GoPro might be incorrect. Currently, I had been shooting at a high setting, so tonight I'm going to conduct a sharpness test with the Hero GoPro 7. It's mounted, clamp mounted to a canoe thwart. I'll do some paddling, and we're just going to see how noticeable the different sharpness settings are. I'm running 1920, I believe at 30 frames per second. Pro Tunes is on, so we'll see what this does. Like I said, right now I'm running at high sharpness. I'll pause it and I'll switch it. The camera is now set to record at medium sharpness. I really don't know if we'll be able to tell the difference or not, or if the difference that I see between my videos and some of the other videos that I watch is that they're shot with higher quality cameras. To be fair, maybe I need to compare it to my Nikon D500. The problem with that is it doesn't have the stabilization for uses like this in the canoe, but it does work for video, so we'll have to just see. But that only has the native setting. Alright, I'm going to pause it and switch. I now have this GoPro Hero 7 running at low sharpness. It's kind of hinting at it before. I don't know whether it's the camera or maybe it's the process of when you upload the videos to YouTube or Facebook, if they, in their compression scheme, if that maybe cuts down the sharpness, reduces the resolution. I suspect that probably has a lot to do with it. But on the other hand, I want to shoot these videos as close to what I want to see in the final product as possible. The less time I have to spend on the computer, the better it is. So if I get my camera settings figured out, that should mean I can do more time paddling and less time seated behind a screen. So with that was the test here. I think the next test I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch it back to high like I had been using, and we'll do a recording that way, high and GoPro color, and then we'll switch it to flat color and see how much of a difference that makes. Alright, I'm not sure if this is a really good test going into the sun like this, but I'm now again running a Hero GoPro 7 clamped to a canoe thwart. Sharpness is set for high, color is set for GoPro. I can't think of the last time that I ran it with Pro Tunes off. It just seems with Pro Tunes on. Yep, it's a little bit more complicated, but boy, the end product coming out of these cameras just seems to me to be so much better. Alright, we'll pause and switch it to flat. I'm now recording with GoPro color setting at flat. I would guess some of the issue too could be that I do compare the output of the GoPro to my Nikon, and that's unrealistic on my part. When you consider the cost, the sensor size, the technology involved, the GoPro does a lot, don't get me wrong, but the Nikon, it just leaps and bounds ahead in image quality. That said, I still like to use the GoPro for video. So I want to get it figured out what's the proper settings for the best results. And with that, I think I'm going to end my testing for tonight and just paddle for the fun of it. I'm waiting for a full moon to come up, or near full moon, 92% almost. Tonight it should be up here in a little bit as it really starts to get dark. And I get to do my full moon paddle for the month of September. I give myself a little bit of latitude based on the weather conditions and what time the moon rises. And since I know tonight's a clear night and we do have rain coming in the forecast, it's either I do it now or I risk not doing it at all. So tonight's going to be my night. Not saying I won't do it tomorrow night or Friday night or Saturday night, but for sure tonight. So with that, thank you for watching this test. I hope it was helpful for you, and I'll see you next time.